Perplexity AI is a free AI answer engine that runs right in your web browser. In this guide, you will check what you need, create your account, and ask your very first question. Let's get started.
Perplexity is an AI answer engine. It searches the live web, reads the best sources, and writes a direct answer with citations. You can ask follow-up questions, and it remembers the whole thread. Focus modes narrow the search to academic papers, social posts, or videos.
No download. It runs in your browser.
The requirements are simple. You need a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, a stable internet connection. An account is optional, but it saves your threads. And nothing to install. No Python, no Node.js, no terminal.
Start at the official site, perplexity.ai. Only use the official website. At the top right, click Sign In. That opens the Sign In window.
You can sign in with Google, Apple, or email. Choose Continue with Email and type your email address, then check your inbox. Perplexity sends a magic link and a one-time code. Click the link and you're in.
This is your first screen. The sidebar has Home, Discover, Spaces, and Library. The big search bar is where you ask anything. The focus button narrows the sources and Pro Search goes deeper. Your profile is at the bottom left.
Want a desktop app? It is optional. Windows users can install it from the Microsoft Store. Mac users download the new personal computer app directly from the website, and it needs Mac OS 15 or later. The browser version is all you need.
Time for your first test. Type a simple question, like, what is Perplexity AI? Press the arrow. The answer streams in with numbered citations. Click any source to verify it yourself. It works!
Use Focus to choose where the answer comes from. Click the Focus button and pick Academic. Now the answer uses only scholarly sources like PubMed or Nature. Most focus modes are free.
For harder questions, switch on Pro Search. It reads 10 to 20 sources, and it may ask you a quick question first. Free accounts get a limited number of Pro Searches, so keep an eye on the counter.
All your threads are saved in the library. Search them by keyword. In Settings, you can switch to dark mode, turn off AI data retention, and add custom instructions for every thread.
3 issues stop most beginners. First, the upgrade prompt. Use standard search, wait for the reset, or upgrade to Pro. Second, the email code never arrives. Check spam, disable the VPN, and clear the cache. Third, something went wrong. That is usually a server overload, so wait and retry.
That is the whole loop. 1. Open perplexity.ai. 2. Sign up with Google or email. 3. Ask your first question. It is free, it runs in your browser, and every answer comes with sources. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy searching!